Hey, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and it's still freaking windy out here in Glacier. We're doing that. Apikuni Falls, let's go. We're gonna do this little crest here and go back into the canyon, hopefully away from the wind. 1.8 mile round trip to Apikuni Falls through this beautiful meadow. Hey bear, come through bears. It's finally quiet for a second. It's like a dark pine forest thing here. Once we got out of that meadow, still breezy. I think everybody's still back there. Hey Bear Delilah, that's a weird name for a bear.
Bears haven't eaten us yet, we're still here. This is embarrassing for you. This is embarrassing.
Hey Bear, you're an all-star. Get your game on.
Wait,
Go
everybody be quiet.
play.
I think I hear something. I think I hear something.
Oh.
This trail is a butt kicker. We're 3/4 of a mile in and almost 500 feet, but it is all downhill when we go down. I don't know if that's good or bad. We might be rolling down. Can see it through the trees here. Almost there. All right, here we go. Short little elbow over to the falls. Here we go.
I think the end is like just past this point.
Yeah, it has to be. I mean, we're right there. This last little bit just turned all into jaggy rock slide from all this. Ever.
You go for me.
There we go, Apikuni Falls. Oh. Oh man. Hey bud.
It's good.
Hey bud. Thanks for coming with me. Here's where it hits the bottom of the mountain. Look how tall that is. Had to rock scramble to get here, but man, is it worth it. Different awesome scenery as we head downhill. This is one of my rare evening hikes. It's almost 7 o'clock probably. We were having fun in Mini Glacier. Decided to keep it rolling. We were kind of snacking all day, but there's a taco place in Bab just waiting for us.
Okay.
It's cool.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, you're so scared. I'm sorry. You don't know what to do to help you?
Are those rare?
Now you're stopping to eat? Come on, dude.
No, I'm already sleeping up. Oh, that was a good one. There's more that there's two babies.
Yeah.
Four.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, five.
Five feet. That's more, but.
There's one in the bushes. There's five babies.
Okay.
You're good. Okay.
Go ahead, honey.
It's okay.
Yeah, pull it back. Give her.
Baby, go. That baby is frozen. Down. Oh.
Yeah, the other one's somewhere in there.
Yeah, there you go. Go to Meadow, that way. Yeah, keep going. Good job.
Go, Mama.
The one person that was coming up behind him said maybe a quail. I thought it looked very partridge-like, and I think ptarmigan is like something related to that, and there's a lot of stuff around here named ptarmigan Ridge, ptarmigan Mountain, there's a trail, all that kind of stuff. Got a break in the wind here, but thank you so much for watching this video. We got more. We got a couple more days in Glacier, and then we're headed to Banff. Look at this beauty. Follow along, subscribe, ring that bell for more, and we'll see you next time.
What if we actually see bears?